All right, I'm going to be working on her hat today. And just a little note, uh, I've been of notification that I will not be here tomorrow. I have a doctor's appointment, and so this will be the last day this week that I'll be working on this. But I just want to let you know I will be at the doctor's office tomorrow. All right. My operation is coming up pretty quick next month. And so I'm going to be having several doctor's appointments before then. All right. I'm going to get busy on this hat. And there's really not much to see what I'm doing right now. I'm just basically making the sides of the crown a little straighter up and down. I think what I'm going to have to do is make the hat out of monster clay. And the reason I say that is there's a curve. The back part of the hat goes up like this in the style of hat that I'm doing, and then curves downward. And I can't get this piece of paper to stay in that position. Although it seems to be doing it right there. Let's see what I can do here. It curves down in the front. It's a lot different than the cowboy hats you see in, well, a lot of places like Montana and Texas and Tennessee and places like that, where they curl up on the sides. This is more of a flat one because that Wyoming sun can get really hot, so can the Arizona sun. And they want to have something that completely shelters their face from all the sun. Yeah, if you look at it like that, it almost works. Maybe I won't have to. I gotta get my light to where I can see what I'm doing here. Okay. There's a slight indent or trench around the top of the crown. There's a hat band that goes around the between the crown and the brim. Okay. There's a particular curve that I want to get, and I can't get it with this paper inside the clay. The best stuff for doing this is file folder paper because it's wax coated, and when you bend it, it stays where it's going to go, especially when you got clay on it. I don't have any folder material anymore. I used to have it, and it was perfect for armatures. But this stuff, this paper doesn't work very well. I like the curve, but it's the front curve I want to get, and I can't get it to stay. But I think you can see what I'm trying to do here. Overall, I like the way she looks, and I think it's going to be a great bronze. Certainly going to look good in bronze too. All right, I'm going to have to call it quits, and I'll see you guys next week. Good night. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.